What's up, guys? This is part 2 of proper cleaning of a hair system. Let's get into it.
All right, so first things first, I'm going to go in with my clarifying shampoo. Then I'm going to add a little bit of that special blue shampoo, which is just that Dawn that we like to use to get those oil-based solvents out of the hair. I'm going to scrub that base really nicely, scrub the hair real good, and then brush through that shampoo to get any knots or matting out. Then I'm going in with some conditioner. I'm going to brush that through as well. Make sure you rinse your conditioner out really well for a good 60 seconds, especially on that base. You want to make sure that your adhesive sticks later on. So we're going to keep rinsing this out. I like to do it for at least a good 60 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and do another once over to make sure every bit of that adhesive is out. And then you're done.